Hey there artists, today we're going to learn how to draw the Incredible Hulk. So let's get started. I'm going to start off with his nose first. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like this wide U shape. From there, we're going to move on to his eyes. So we're going to do a straight line that goes like this. That's going to be the bottom of his eyebrow. Now for his eye, we're going to do this wide U shape. And inside that U shape, we're going to do almost like a complete circle for his pupil. And inside of that U shape, we'll do a smaller circle for the black spot of his eye. So now we're going to finish out his eyebrow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a wide arch for his eyebrow. So now that I have his left eye, let's try to do the same thing on the opposite side. So we're going to start off with the line first for the bottom of the eyebrow. Then we're going to do a wide U shape. And inside that U shape, we're going to do a smaller U. And inside that U, we're going to do a small black circle. To finish out his eyebrow, again, we're going to do this wide arch. So now next, we're going to move on to his mouth. His mouth is going to be this wide U shape. So it'll look like this. And from there, we're going to do another wide U. Just like this. So now that we have the Hulk's face, we're going to move on to his head. So for his ear, I'm going to do like this skinny C shape. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, but a backward C. Now from the bottom of this C shape, I'm going to draw a straight line. Same thing with the backward C shape. At the bottom of the backward C shape, I'm going to draw a straight line. Now, from the bottom of these lines, I'm going to make a line that comes towards the center of his face. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And now I'm just going to connect these two lines with a straight line. To work on the top of Hulk's head, we're going to give him some hair. So to do this, I'm going to do a wide arch like this. And actually, I'm going to kind of curve it at the end like this. Now I'm going to do a series of these lines, but feel free to pause the video to make it look like mine or kind of make it up as you go. But it'll look something like this. So these are just curved lines with the extended curve at the end, or a curl at the end. And now at the end of this line, I'm going to draw a curved line that comes down to his ear. Now that we got the top of his head, let's finish out the rest of his hair. So from the top of the ear, I'm going to draw a curved line that comes up. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, right about here. He's going to have these skinny V shapes that come in, kind of like a check mark. And this one will be like a reverse check mark. Oops. Again, we're going to do this line that comes down like this. And it's going to come back up to be a check mark. We'll do another one. It's going to come out and up. And one more. We'll go out and up. So right now we should have the Hulk's hair and his head built out. So now that we got the Hulk's head, let's work on his upper body. So the Hulk is gigantic. So what we're going to do is I'm going to draw this wide, long arch that's going to come down the paper. And these are going to be his shoulders. So I'm going to try to mimic this line, but on the opposite side. So what's going to happen now is I'm going to draw these wide U shapes like this. And same thing on the other side. So now that I got these wide U shapes, I'm going to do one more U over the top, and I'm going to start it here, and I want to try to end my U right here. And same thing on this other side. I'm going to start my U here, and I want to try to end it right here. Now, on the top of my U that's on his right arm, I'm just going to do another curved line, and it should make kind of like a backwards C shape. At the end of this line, I'm going to move up with a curved line, and it's going to come to a point. So when that comes to a point, I'm going to draw a straight line that comes down at an angle for his torso. Real quick, did you know that gamma radiation is actually real? Although it might not turn you into the Hulk, doctors use them to help treat certain illnesses, and they're even used to study the stars in space. Pretty cool, right? Anyways, back to the video. So I want to try to do this, but on my left side now. So I'm going to draw a C shape. So it makes a C shape like this. We're going to do a curved line that comes up. And it's going to come to a point for his torso. And so we're going to draw a straight line that comes down at an angle. Now I'm going to connect these two lines together with a straight line, which will be the top of his purple pants. Then I'm going to draw two straight lines to finish out his pants. Now let's add a couple little details in there. So the Hulk is huge, right? And he's very muscular. So let's draw some pectoral muscles. So I'm going to do this wide U shape. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Let's give him some abs, or an ab. So I'm going to do kind of like this skinny C shape. Or a wide sideways V, I should say. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And we're going to give him a belly button. So right now I have a very simple version of the Incredible Hulk. But when I add color to it and I take my time coloring, it's really going to change the way my drawing looks and turn it into a really cool piece of art. And as I color, feel free to pause and use the same colors or something similar to mine to make it look just like mine. But you know, if you can't, just try your best. And no big deal. We'll be right back. And this is my Incredible Hulk. As you can tell, it went from a very simple outline, like a very simple drawing, and just taking my time and adding color to it really turned it into a cool piece of art. So remember, this is your chance. Just be creative, don't rush, take your time, and enjoy the process. And if you guys like these kind of videos, make sure you guys like and subscribe for the next one, and I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one.
If you like my dad's videos, like and subscribe. See you next time.